Hi, I'm Jimmy Chittum. I'm president of Flying Circle, and I'm here today to talk to you about the 219 Presidio backpack. When talking to customers, we heard that they were interested in a smaller, more agile pack than the one they had. Because it's really light and adjustable, this backpack is great for an active lifestyle. It includes running, biking, you name it. The Presidio is a great day pack, or 24-hour pack. You can fit binoculars in here, another pair of shoes, snacks, water bottles, everything you need to get through the day. We wanted to make the Presidio extremely comfortable, so we added extra padding on the back and a breathable mesh for high temperatures. We designed the Presidio to be narrow across the shoulders, and it expands in depth rather than width. All the pockets on the Presidio feature double sliders, zipper pulls, and a self-healing zipper chain, which means if the teeth get misaligned, they fix themselves. The large main compartment on the Presidio features a tablet pouch with a clear window for viewing and an additional zippered pouch for more cargo. The middle compartment on the Presidio has a mesh organizer that would be great for cards and keys. Another cool feature of this pack is the highly adjustable shoulder straps. They're padded, there's a sternum strap, there's D-rings where you can attach extra equipment. It also has an adjustable and removable waist belt. These items come in real handy when you need to cinch down your pack tight if you're going to be running or biking. In an effort to make this bag very versatile, we added MOLLE on the front and on the side. This is great for attaching accessories and camping gear. This exterior pocket has another organizer inside. This organizer panel is great for organizing business cards and holding pens and pencils. Like a lot of our packs, the Presidio comes hydration system compatible. You can buy the pack by itself on our website, or you can bundle it with one of our hydration systems. Let me show you how to install the hydration system. First, take the bladder with the tube at the bottom and slide it into the pouch. Up top here, you will find some elastic loops to help secure the top of the bladder. Once those are secure, you can route your hose down through the shoulder strap, where we've included some elastic loops to help guide the hose. Something you'll notice on the Presidio are these straps that come over the top here and these straps here on the side. These are compression straps. Let me show you how they work. Once you fill your bag, you can tighten these down to help secure the load so that it's not flopping around too much. You do that just by pulling on these straps. On the top here, you can pull on this and it'll tighten down over the top and help secure your load. Like a lot of the bags we offer here at Flying Circle, we use 900 denier fabric to make this a very durable bag. In the event that there's a problem, if something breaks, it has a lifetime guarantee. All you have to do is let us know and we'll either fix it or replace it free of charge.